Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of Snapchat's most fun and creative features, filters. Whether you want to enhance your selfie, add some sparkle to a video, or just make your friends laugh, filters are the easiest way to give your snaps that extra touch of personality. Let's get started and walk through each step together. First, open up your Snapchat app. You'll see the camera screen right away. Here, take a quick photo or record a short video just like you normally would. Don't worry about making it perfect on the first try. You can always retake it if you want a different shot. Once you've captured your snap, it's time for the fun part, exploring filters. Simply swipe left or right on your screen. As you swipe, you'll notice different filters and effects appearing on your photo or video. You might find bright color overlays, animated effects, geo filters, or even holiday themed filters depending on what's trending right now. Keep scrolling until you spot one that matches your mood or vibe. When you find a filter you like, stop swiping and take a second to preview how it looks. You can adjust your snap, add text, stickers, or even doodle on it if you're feeling creative. There's no limit to how expressive you can get play around until everything looks just right. And once you're happy with your creation, you're ready to share it. Tap send to share your snap directly with friends or post it to your story so everyone can see it. Or if you just want to save your work for later, hit save to keep it in your memories or camera roll. And that's it. You've just added a filter on Snapchat in a few quick and simple steps. Now, go ahead and try it out for yourself. Explore, experiment, and have fun making your snaps stand out in your own unique style.